So dear friends, between the ages of 16 and 35, if you're looking to spend a great time in the Lord's presence with like-minded young adults, and you're free between June 7th and 9th, come join us at the 10th annual Mladifest here at Norval.
Dragi mladi, pozivamo vas na 10. jubilarni Mladifest koji će biti u ovoj crkvi posvećeno Kraljici mira.
We at Norval have been working hard to bring you great content for this weekend. We got amazing speakers lined up. We got a great worship band, Amorose, coming in from Croatia. We already have people sign up. Now we're just waiting for you. Come and see.